Hello everyone, it's Living Online here for Server.pro, and Mojang recently released the third pre-release of 1.18.2. I'll be showing you the tweaks and changes in this video, so without further ado, let's get into it. This pre-release brought a huge round of bug fixes. Firstly, sometimes lighting from blocks generating during the world generation process, like glowberries and glow lichen, wouldn't work as intended at chunk borders. As you can see, the light wouldn't update and it would leave a darker spot abruptly. Thankfully, in this pre-release, that has been resolved. Secondly, a minor bug was that the /locate command was not working properly in flat worlds. As you can see, if you went near a village using the previous 1.18.2 pre-release, when you typed /locate village, it wouldn't locate the nearest village correctly. However, in this pre-release, this issue is no longer present and it now locates the nearest structures correctly. Moreover, there was another bug fix relating to super flat worlds. In the previous pre-release, when using a super flat world with the overworld preset, if you used the locate command to find a pillager outpost, the world would freeze. This was a simple lag spike issue, so it's now been resolved. Moving on, another minor bug was that in versions like 1.17, you could double click to join a realm just like you can double click to join a server. But in 1.18, you could no longer join a realm that way. Fortunately, that bug was fixed, but since realms aren't available in testing versions, we can't check out that bug fix ourselves just yet. Another bug that kept occurring in some people's games was that whenever a player would log in using the previous 1.18.2 pre-releases, if they pressed single player, their game would crash. This seemed to be an issue with players' worlds and not the game necessarily, but thankfully that has also been resolved. The last bug that was fixed in the snapshot was the bug of the game output and server console being spammed with a message when joining or creating a world. This issue seemed to only be present in the last few pre-releases, including Snapshot 22W07A. This is what would be printed in the server log shortly after starting a new world. However, this has also been resolved in this pre-release. These are all the significant changes for the third pre-release for 1.18.2. If you want to check out the article yourself, the link will be in the description. But don't forget that if you'd like to create a free server for Minecraft to try this pre-release out with your friends, you should head over to Server.pro or click the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more from our channel though, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching!